Pankaj Sharma, don't you really feel, Pankaj Sharma, don't you really feel that Rahul Gandhi is alone in this yatra? The only yatra, वो जितना आगे जाती है, लोग उतने अलग होते जाते हैं. What kind of a yatra is this, Pankaj Sharma?
I don't think Rahul Gandhi is alone. Millions of people are Deshwasis are with him. Bharati's are with him. Shahid Poonawala ji is saying कि नीतीश कुमार हलाला करके हमारे पास वापस आ गए तो बात खत्म हो गई. बात खत्म नहीं हो गई शहजाद वाला जी. It is high time Nitish episode needs a deep discussion. It is not something that can be ignored only as a ploy, as a double cross. It has become normal practice, especially in last 1 day. And you know it. Nothing could be more insulting.
Pankaj, I'm going to come back to you. Because your audio is wrong, I'm going to take the same question to Kamlakar Tripathi. Kamlakar ji, Advocate Kamlakar Tripathi, Congress leader from Kashi.
पर एक ही
Kamlakar.
नीतीश कुमार, चाहे आप जितना भी उनको हेट करो ना करो, एक ओबीसी नेता के लिए हलाला करना, ये प्रकार की शब्दावली अगर पंकज शर्मा जी की है, तो पंकज शर्मा जी अध्ययन करें कि क्या वो इस प्रकार की बातें ओबीसी समाज कोई व्यक्ति अगर नहीं, आप जब चले गए आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ तो आपने हलाला किया गया. आप जब लेफ्ट के साथ जा रहे तो हलाला कर रहे हैं क्या? आप तृणमूल कांग्रेस की गोद में बैठे तो हलाला कर रहे हैं क्या? पंकज शर्मा जी किस प्रकार की बात है ओबीसी नेता के लिए?
ready to die with any
हलाला का मतलब क्या है?
His audio. Let me correct his audio and then he will answer for his own. Thank you. Kamlakar Tripathi, Advocate Kamlakar Tripathi. Congress is all alone. Mamta has said. And please don't give me that Mamta has not said that I'm out of India Alliance. She's not in the India Alliance. And let's just stop there. She has said that I am fighting alone. Kejriwal is fighting it alone in Delhi and Punjab. Nitish is no more there in it. So who are you aligning with? Akhilesh has said take 11 seats. Congress is not going to accept. You know Akhilesh is going to go alone. Kamlakar ji.
If all the speculations are yours, then why I am there or somebody else is there?
No,
Akhilesh has offered something.
Mamta has announced, Kejriwal has announced, Nitish has left.
Partners. We have Sharad Pawar ji, we have Uddhav Thackeray, we have other partners also.
People of consequence, leaders of consequence. You named, listen. Kamlakar Tripathi named Sharad Pawar. The only leader in the history of independent India, I feel, if I am not wrong, to be in the whose party is in the opposition and in the government. Boss, it's a case study, Binay Singh. Binay Singh, you write these books, huh? Why don't you write a book on Sharad Pawar? I am telling you today. Binay Singh, the only party, and I feel, Shehzad, if I am not wrong, I repeat, the only political party in the history of independent India to be in opposition and in the government at the same time. And the man is in both the meetings. It's amazing. He's a case study. But Binay Singh, he's no more a man of consequence anymore. His own party is not with him. And that's the reality. Mamta has announced, I'm fighting against Congress. Kejriwal has announced. So where is the alliance? Please explain this to Kamlakar and beg your pardon, Pankaj Sharma. Binay Singh.
Aishwarya, we need to rename, things.
Yeah.
This India Alliance has become a Jhandu Alliance. It is no more. And this Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra should be renamed as Bharat Todo Anyay Yatra. Because Rahul Gandhi is trying to further the fault lines in the society. Wherever he goes, he tries to create a divide in the society. So it cannot be called a Nyay Yatra or a Jodo Yatra. It is a Todo Yatra and Anyay Yatra. And you know what the real Nyay Yatra was? The Yatra of Bhagwan Ram from his travel from Ayodhya to Lanka. What was Bharat Jodo Yatra? Yatra of Bhagwan Ram. He included everyone. It was very inclusive. And this Nyay Yatra, so-called Nyay Yatra of Rahul Gandhi is very exclusive, which is totally focused towards him, totally centered towards him. So we need to rename things, Aishwarya. And we need to remember, Karpuri Thakurji. Karpuri Thakurji has a very famous case. When he was the chief minister of Bihar, his father was running a barber shop. And a journalist like you, he asked him, why you are running a barber shop? So he told that my
Imagine.
son is
Can we imagine
unemployed
that
for
today?
me because he doesn't send me money.
कर्पूरी ठाकुर की सरकार भी गिरा दी थी. You have to remember this. And now बीजेपी उसने गिरा दिया महागठबंधन की सरकार बिहार में. नाम बदल गया लेकिन काम नहीं बदला. इनकी एक ही गारंटी है सरकार गिराने की गारंटी. मोदी की एक गारंटी है.
Vinay Singh Kanchana. Vinay Singh Kanchana is countering you. Shehzad coming to you after that.
He's a land grabber.
Vinay Singh,
He's a
please
child
listen to
clone.
Kanchana's
He's a
counter. Yeah.
scammer.
Kanchana of the
That's
RJD
what
is countering you.
we
Yeah.
after him.
Kanchana, go on. Kanchana, go on.
कंचना जी को
I'll come to you, Shehzad. Shehzad, please give me 45
सरकार
seconds.
थी
Thank you.
बिहार में.
Kanchana,
जब
go on.
कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी की सरकार थी बिहार में उन्होंने आरक्षण दिया तो जनसंघ ने उनकी सरकार गिरा दी. और आज महागठबंधन जो 2,17,000 नौकरियां दी मात्र 17 दिन में तो बीजेपी ने महागठबंधन की सरकार गिरा दी.
Let the people-
जनसंघ
yeah,
से
you
बीजेपी
answer.
हो गया.
Let the
नाम
people of this
बदल गया
country
लेकिन
decide.
इनका काम नहीं बदला. का काम है सरकार गिराने की गारंटी. मोदी की गारंटी में
Oh.
सिर्फ एक गारंटी है
Is that so,
सरकार
Shehzad?
गिराने की गारंटी.
Shehzad is
सरकार गिराने की
countering.
गारंटी
Shehzad is
जो
countering.
सामाजिक
Okay,
न्याय
Kanchana,
के लिए
thank you.
काम करती
Thank
है.
you, Kanchana. Kanchana, you made your point. Now take the reply. Thank you. Yeah, Shehzad.
कंचना जी इतना झूठ बोलती है. उन्होंने कहा कि जनसंघ ने गिरा दी. जनसंघ का विलय हो गया था जनता पार्टी में. ये काहे इतना झूठ बोलते हैं? नाम मीसा रखा है बेटी का. किसके खिलाफ रखा था नाम मीसा? और कर्पूरी जी की पूरी राजनीति इमरजेंसी और गैर कांग्रेसवाद की थी. अब कंचना जी बीच में मत बोलिए. अब देखिए अब मेरा समय.
उन्होंने कहा कि उन्होंने कहा कि कर्पूरी ठाकुर वापस जाओ और चूड़ी लेकर नाव बाल बनाओ. ये कहा गया जनसंघ के द्वारा, जनसंघ के लोगों के द्वारा. आज वो कर्पूरी ठाकुर को सम्मान दे रहे हैं.
अब देखिए दूसरी बात मैं पंकज जी को एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं. मैं पंकज जी को आमूमन मैं उनको बहुत ही एक बुद्धिजीवी और बहुत ही एक सक्षम और बहुत ही बैलेंस्ड किस्म का व्यक्ति समझता हूं. पंकज जी मैं 2 लाइन कोट करके बता रहा हूं. नाम है राजीव राय, समाजवादी पार्टी. आप मतलब खड़गे जी और राहुल जी नहीं सुन लीजिए ना, क्योंकि सुन लीजिए आप मतलब राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस पार्टी खड़गे जी चुनाव और यात्रा के बहाने समय काटने और स्वयं को मजबूत करने के चक्कर में गठबंधन को कमजोर तो नहीं कर रहे. अब देखिए अनुराग भदौरिया तो कांग्रेस में एंट्री लेना चाहते हैं, उनकी बातों को ज्यादा सीरियसली नहीं ले सकते. पर आप पंकज जी बताइए कि राजीव राय ने ये कहा है, आप सहमत है या सहमत नहीं? अनुराग जी इस डिफॉल्ट कांग्रेस है वो, उनको आप समाजवादी मत गिनो.
पंकज शर्मा.
So to keep the India alliance intact is not the responsibility only of the Congress party. There are 28 political parties in the alliance, not 27. It is the equal responsibility of each and every political party and every political leader to keep the alliance intact. What people, as you mentioned, voted someone.
No, there's some problem with Pankaj Sharma's audio. No, there's some problem with Pankaj Sharma's audio. Can I have Vineet Goenka and Anurag Bhadoria? Pankaj ji, I need to reconnect with you. I'm requesting my tech team to do that while the debate is on. Also with Kamlakar Tripathi because the audio is not coming through. Anurag Bhadoria, साफ सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, सीधा सवाल सुनिए. नाम सुन, ये प्रॉब्लम अनुराग दादा, नाम सुनते ही आप अपना रिकॉर्डेड मैसेज मत चलाया करिए, प्लीज सुन लीजिए दादा. आई एम ओनली आस्किंग दिस. आप 11 सीट, समाजवादी पार्टी लीडर Akhilesh Yadav has announced that you are giving 11 seats to the Congress. Congress is saying thank you very much, we are not taking it. Mamta is saying I am going to fight alone. Kejriwal is saying I am going to fight alone. Nitish is no more with you. So where is the alliance? गठबंधन है कहां, पूछता है भारत. अनुराग, where is the alliance?
बस. और भारत ये भी सुनो भारत, मैं आप उसका भी जवाब दूंगा. भारत ये भी पूछता है कि जो नीतीश जी को अभी तक गाली दे रहे थे, जो बीजेपी के प्रवक्ता आपके यहाँ बैठे हैं, विनीत जी बैठे हैं, उसका भी बताओ ना क्या क्या बोला था इन्होंने. इनके नेताओं ने नीतीश जी को क्या क्या बोला था. कोई तो उनका मानसिक संतुलन की बात कर रहा था, कोई पगड़ी खोलने की बात कर रहा था, कोई कह रहा था वो सुशासन नहीं है, वहां पे तो पूरा चारों तरफ जंगल राज चल रहा है. आज इतने अच्छे कैसे हो गए? उनसे जरा उनका जरा नहीं उनका जरा वीडियो दिखवा दीजिए. मैं ऐश्वर्या जी मैं चाहता हूं कि बीजेपी के नेताओं से कम से कम पोल तो खोलिए, कुछ तो पत्रकारिता दिखाइए. 4 दिन पहले गाली दे रहे थे, अचानक तारीफ कैसे करने लगे? थोड़ा तो होना चाहिए.
अनुराग, बुरी संगत हट गई.
इंडिया गठबंधन का
बुरी संगत ग्रहण हट गई, इसलिए तारीफ हो रही है।
हाजीपुर से किसको
बुरी
लड़ाने वाले
संगत।
हैं? चिराग
ग्रहण हट
को
गया।
लड़ाएंगे,
अब बताइए,
कि
अपना
उनके
जवाब
चचा को
दीजिए।
लड़ाएंगे। इनसे पूछिए भैया अपना दल को कहाँ, और बादल जी को ला रहे हैं कि नहीं ला रहे हैं? बादल जी के पास डोरे डाल रहे हैं कि हमारी पार्टी में आओ आओ। अरे तो वो लोग हैं जो पीडीपी के साथ भी सत्ता बना लेते हैं। अगर सरकार बनानी है तो जेएनके में पीडीपी के साथ भी इन्होंने सत्ता चलाई है। तो अगर ये सबको अपनाते हैं सत्ता के लिए तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है।
You are repeating yourself, Anurag. Anurag, please, you are repeating yourself, sir. I ask you about you. मैं आपसे समाजवादी पार्टी के बारे में पूछता हूँ, आप चिराग पासवान के बारे में बोलते हैं। ये कौन सी राजनीति है? ये कौन सा प्रवक्ता का धर्म आप निभा रहे हैं? What is this? You are a spokesperson of the समाजवादी party. You are more concerned about Chirag Paswan. What's this, Anurag? No, because you don't have answer. That's, and people can see through your answers. That's the reality. When you can't answer, you go to Chirag Paswan, you go to this. But where you had a valid point, understand, Anurag, where Anurag Bhadoria had a valid point for change today was Vineet. You can't explain that what all you said about Nitish Kumar or the BJP said about the Nitish Kumar whole episode and even prior to that, it just vanished in a wink. You can't. Okay, you made the government. You made the government with PDP as well. And by the way, any time you give an iota of an opportunity to the opposition, they still remind you that listen, okay, you give Aam Aadmi Party an opportunity that you are with Congress. They say you were also with PDP. Now they will say you are also with Nitish. So you also have your problems now. They have their problems. Vineet.
So I deliberately gave a complete go through to Anurag ji so that he can listen to me.
Please, 45 seconds are yours. Carry on.
Only 45 seconds without distance. Two parts. The RJD spokesperson, she was talking about Kapuri Thakur. Let me remind, Laluji was in central government many years, but he never thought about giving the Bharat Ratna to Kapuri Thakur ji. He never even discussed it. There was not a single letter or not a single communication from there. And Congress insulted Baba Saheb Ambedkar by giving him Bharat Ratna much after Nehru ji, Indira ji, Rajiv ji got it in 1991. Number two, when Modi ji was running Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, I was thinking, why does he have to do it? He's actually fighting the P.
What was the question and what?
I'm answering with that. So please, I heard everybody
Same
for 40
problem
minutes.
this, Anurag.
I'm answering. No, I'm answering. He fought the P. P-E-E. Parasites, entitled, and the enemies.
Hold on,
These
Kanchan.
people who are parasites on the system. Uddhav Thackeray and Mr. Pawar, parasites on their own system. They are not relevant. Entitled, this Rahul Gandhi, Tejaswi, this fellow Akhilesh, just because they are born out of one womb, they think they are entitled to rule this country. And these enemies within, like Kejriwals, who work against this country. This P-E-E is a system which has to be fought. So in this case, if somebody has to go with JDU, I think it is right because you have to clean this P. You have to clean these people who
now you feel you need to go
land for jobs
to clean.
Those people,
No, I don't take that argument. Thank you very much.
Were taken,
No, it may be a political compulsion before 20. No, Vineet, I don't take it. No. And let me just go to proper. Let me just go to Manojit Mandal and he will answer. He will answer Kamlakar Tripathi, Kanchana Yadav, Pankaj Sharma and Anurag Bhadoria because Manojit Mandal. Didi has made it clear or not that she is not going with Congress. In fact, she is going to take on Congress. She is going to take on Congress. Manojit Mandal. Vineet, please, thank you. Manojit Mandal of the TMC, thank you very much. Yes, Dada.
Didi has not left India Alliance because it is Didi's brainchild, the name itself. I want to ask these political party, the party that does not have any morality whatsoever. एक साल पहले कहा था दरवाजा बंद हो गया हमेशा के लिए अमित शाह जी ने कहा आराम गाराम
मिथ्या
अरे शर्म से झुको आप अजीत पवार को ले लिया सबसे
who is Didi going to fight against? Hold on. Manojit Mandal, answer my question. Thank you very much. Please for 30 seconds and then I want Shehzad. Thank you. Manojit, who is going to Didi fight? Who is Didi going to fight against? Manojit Mandal. Who is Didi going to fight against? Manojit, who is Didi going to fight against? Who is Didi going to fight against?
Fight against BJP.
She's fighting against
Vineet, hold on. Vineet, hold on.
Durga Visarjan.
I am saying in English, Hindi, yaar, ruk jao, bhai. Yeah.
This person. BJP and BJP. People of India will fight BJP. Mamtadi will fight BJP, and Bengal will show you the path. Forget about these
No. What Mamta will fight BJP?
Hold on, Vineet. Why are you not understanding?
I want to ask one question to BJP. Why are you taking the political leader?
Please ask Shehzad is there.
You said corrupt. Ajit Pawar, Praful Patel, Hemant Biswa Sharma,
Okay.
Shubhendu
Shehzad's
Adhikari,
answer to that.
Narayan Rane, and you are still showing your national TV. Shame on BJP. Shame on BJP.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Manojit. Okay, Manojit. 45 seconds to Shehzad and then I'm coming for ending question. Shehzad.
I'll answer in 20
Shehzad.
seconds provided Monojit
Answer
does
the
this, sir.
questions.
Monojit
Answer the
da,
specific
he had once
question.
even taken
Ayaram,
Mukur Roy.
Garam ko kyun liya?
Manojit, now calm down. Manojit, now calm down, Manojit. Manojit, da, thank you. Thank you, Manojit, da. Don't do this. Thank you. Yeah, you have 10 names. I also have 20 names. Now calm down. Take the answer. Thank you. Yeah, Shehzad.
Give 2 names.
Monojit da, I'm answering your question only. So patience for just 20 seconds. I won't take more than that. Monojit da, we had even taken Mukul Roy, and Mukul Roy, when he was with us, he was facing CBI grilling. At that time, you used to say he's corrupt to the core. Today, why have you taken Mukul Roy? And secondly, you said I'm in India Alliance till now. So you're with left in India Alliance, no? Because left is also in India Alliance. So
With
Monojit da,
left?
you're
When?
accepting you're with left in India Alliance.
When?
Left is also there in
with the
India.
left in Bengal? When with the left in Bengal? What are you talking about?
Are left is there in India. You said we are also in India. So you are with left, right?
There is no left in Bengal.
There's no left.
You
It is
are
in
not
India
alliance
Alliance,
with
Baba.
left in Bengal. Whatever
It is in
there.
India Alliance.
Those remnants, the dustbin.
Are it is in India Alliance. You said Mamta is in India Alliance. I said okay. But India Alliance में सीताराम जी भी है.
जो भी है.
अब बताइए you are with सीताराम.
राम और बौ का नीचे रॉ लग गई. राम और
ऐश्वर्या जी, मेरा simple question.
To understand what the people of this country are. The people of this country are. Thank you, Manojit Mandal. I'm going for ending comments to everyone. And Kanchana Yadav ji, Kanchana ji, you need to understand when you say your leaders, Tej Pratap and Tejasvi, have said what not for Nitish and against Nitish. Same what I am asking the BJP, it's embarrassing for them. But it has been embarrassing for you as well. But the people of this country now see through. Whether it's you, whether it's JDU, whether it's Congress, whether it's BJP, whether it's Aam Aadmi Party, Congress Alliance, the people of this country are seeing through. Kanchana, ending comments.
देखिए, अब तेजस्वी जी फर्स्ट डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर होंगे पूरे पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री में जिन्होंने अपने चीफ मिनिस्टर को इतना ज्यादा रेस्पेक्ट और इज्जत किया और कर भी रहे हैं। मैं एक चीज का और यहाँ पर आंसर करना चाहती हूँ पिछले पे इन्होंने कहा कि कर्पूरी ठाकुर वीपी सिंह जी को सबसे पहले भारत रत्न कब दिया गया था? अम्बेडकर जी को सबसे पहले भारत रत्न वीपी सिंह की सरकार में दिया गया था और उसके बाद जब आरक्षण आया तो इन्होंने उसके खिलाफ कमंडल की यात्रा निकाल दी। और अब क्या कर रहे हैं? जब कास्ट सेंसस हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, बिहार के प्रेशर में ये आकर कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी को आखिर 50 साल तक आपको याद नहीं था? या अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी सरकार के आपको याद नहीं था? आपको याद नहीं था कि तब देना है?
जब वो दिया गया था तब बीजेपी सपोर्ट कर रही थी वीपी सिंह गवर्नमेंट।
Okay, Kanchana, thank you very much. Kanchana, thank you. 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 Anurag Bhadoria, ending comments. Anurag Bhadoria, 30 seconds, ending comments. Anurag Bhadoria, 30 seconds. Anurag Bhadoria, ending comments. Anurag, go on, दादा.
देखिए, ये तो ऐश्वर्या जी, ये तो मानना सुनिए, ये तो मानना पड़ेगा
क्या देखूं मैं तो देखिए
बात है इंडिया गठबंधन में जिसके लिए बीजेपी एनडीए गठबंधन इतनी परेशान है सुबह से लेकर शाम तक। इंडिया गठबंधन, इंडिया गठबंधन, इंडिया गठबंधन। अरे भैया, इंडिया गठबंधन जो आपका, उस पर भी कभी बात कर लो। इसके मतलब इंडिया गठबंधन मजबूत है, जनता इंडिया गठबंधन के साथ है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हार का डर सता रहा है, इसलिए वो जोड़ तोड़ने लगी है।
Thank you, Pankaj Sharma, ending comments. Pankaj Sharma, ending comments. Thank you, Anurag. It's a brief one. Thank you, Pankaj Sharma, ending comments.
See, everyone knows why it was so crucial for BJP to send RJD and Congress out of Bihar's government. With the presence of these two, BJP wouldn't have been able to play its Khargosh game in upcoming parliamentary elections. It's a magical cape through which it can produce a rabbit of any color from any polling booth. This because of this, that they had to do this.
Okay.
So they
Thank you.
have done
Shehzad.
this.
Okay, Pankaj Sharma. Shehzad, ending comments.
देखिए ऐसा है, on the one hand you have an alliance with Mission and Vision under leadership of Prime Minister Modi. On the other hand, 5 meetings have taken place but no logo, no neta, no niti, nothing, because this is missionless, visionless, only contradiction, confusion, commission and corruption.
Let me know if you come to know where is Hemant Soren. Puchta hai Bharat. And Vinit, you may smile, but I'm still telling you. I still remember what you said about Nitish. Just saying.
I personally feel that, in the interest of the Bihar, What has happened is
Let the people
But
of
at the
Bihar and
same
people
time,
of this
you have
country
to
will decide.
remember one thing. These people who are self-entitled.
People will decide.
They just think.
People will decide. People will decide. Vineet, thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Kamlakar ji. Your network is back. Thank you very much. That's the time I have on the debate. On the other side, it's my colleague Abhishek coming up with the second debate. Thank you.